how to create a Crunchyroll account on mobile. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily create an account on your Crunchyroll account from your mobile. So first thing, just head over to any of your favorite browser and just search in for crunchyroll.com. So just tap on this first link. There's a Crunchyroll official website. So once you're inside here, just tap on this profile icon at the top right corner, and you can see there's an option to create account, and just tap on this. So now all you've got to do is you just enter your login credentials, that is your email and password. If you have already created an account, you can also click on this login button over here. So I'll just click on my email and password. So once I do that, I'll just simply click on this create account. And once you do that, you should have successfully created your account and start watching your free TV shows or anime just like this. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.